Hi guys, another adventure. Um, we're about to leave now and we're going to look at that beach. Fucking beach.
Wow!
Ang picture eh, no?
Ano pinicturean mo?
Dumi. Tsaka Max Candy.
Na nasa gilid? Maangas ba? Right now we're in Mitsukoshi itself inside. Currently we're in its food hall. Fruits over there on the other side. Sushi.
Oh my god, babe!
Yeah? There's a Inari sushi.
Ano yung Tokyo? Tapos ito.
Sadawa Ichigo. It's really great. Strawberry.
May mochi sila, no? Yun, mochi, oh.
Oh, ayun no. We're walking now. Walking to Cooper's. Everything in Mitsukoshi is so expensive, turns out. Apparently, Japanese yen is much more powerful than the Philippine peso. Share ko lang. Here's my girlfriend. Walking on and about. Hello, girlfriend. What are your thoughts, Liam?
Putang ina mo.
Wow! I love you too, girlfriend. Ano yung thoughts mo so far?
Pagod na ako.
We're desperately trying to find Coopers now. We're trying to get something.
Wait lang yung pera ko. Hindi ko pumasok.
Pasok sa bowl.
Literal na balag kasi malabong hindi pinilit ko para mag-share. So kailangan ko ngayon ng alalay.
I'm holding her hand right now. She's blind as shit. How many fingers am I holding up?
Bago pa ko. Kita ko yun. Tinatawag natin i-step.
Gana.
Wala na tayong makita. Mag-shades. Ayun. Bawal kasi siya lagyan ng drago. So, anyways, magkano?
795.
800 na rin to.
800 na siya halos.
Wala akong makita.
Wala siyang makita.
Ay, may naisip na ako.
Paano?
Oo.
Ayan, nakakita ka na.
Galing na.
Di ba mahuhulog yung isang salapin?
Saan tayo?
Talino. Dito sa... Kain na. First impressions?
Dam-dam yum.
Ha?
Yum, yum.
Yummy yan. Puro mushroom yan.
Basta.
First impressions.
Sarap na sa'yo ah. Sarap na sa'yo.
Okay. So, there's one matcha. Tapos isa yung ano. So, sige. Try mo muna to. So, try mo.
Ayan na lang.
Ah, sige, thank you. Okay. Mas enjoy mo yan? Good.
Try mo, try mo, try mo.
Ulit, wag mo, no?